Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to turn off Windows 11 keyboard sound. Click Start, Settings. Click Accessibility. Click Keyboard. Click Notification Preferences. Uncheck Play as sound when I turn sticky, filter, or toggle keys on or off from the keyboard. Second method is, type OSK in Windows search bar, click on Screen Keyboard. Click Options. Uncheck Click Sound. Click OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.